Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. So today I have to do a video that I've been wanting to do for quite a while, and unfortunately I'm forced to do it tonight because this beautiful dust collector that I own, I'm selling, and it's leaving the house tomorrow morning along with my table saw and my jointer. I'm selling my house and I'm moving, and I just have decided it's easier to sell the tools off, get into the new home, and replace them with what fits properly. And this is a big, loud dust collector, and I'm pretty much aiming towards a townhome / condo environment, and this will just make too much noise, as will this jointer and the table saw. So that'll be another video, but I want to talk to you about this because I love this thing and I'm going to miss it. It's an excellent tool. So this is the Rockler DustRIGHT 54352. Rockler labels their stuff really nice, which I love. I can read this very clearly that the motor is 1.5 horsepower and we have 1250 CFM. This is a remote control unit, and I'm going to give you one power up here from the remote control so you can see that. Here's the remote. It's nice. It's got a belt clip. You can carry it around with you. Okay, so I currently have this plugged into two tools at once. It has a Y adapter, and both of these are plugged in right now. I have a Grizzly G0865 8-inch jointer right here. It's right here below the machine. You can see the top of the fence. And over here I have the DeWalt 735 planer. Both of these are permanently plugged into this thing. No blast gate needed. I leave them both wide open. I only use one tool at a time, obviously, and this is more than enough power to suck through both of the hoses and collect from whatever tool is running. So I don't need any blast gates. If you're going to permanently set this thing up to 2 tools, it works perfectly. So if you're going to set it up to more than 2 tools, which I've done here, Rockler has this attachment thing that you can put on one of the hoses, and this will go to any 4-inch port anywhere in your shop. It depends on the length of your hose. It's just that simple. Now, this is a 30 micron bag, which is not the best bag for dust. You can get, optionally, a 1 micron canister for this thing, and you can also get a cyclone separator for this thing. So you could really have a cyclone over here and a 1 micron bag here, and that would really be the ideal dust collection system. Now, because I'm going to a townhome, I'm going to look at something smaller. They make smaller units of these that only have 1 port and obviously less CFM, smaller motors. And that's probably what I'm going to go to. I'm going to have them, set to 1 machine at a time. And that will work for me where I'm going. But I wanted to do this video really quick for you because I have to be very honest. This machine is amazing. It's very easily to mount, and it's just a great machine. If I was ever back into a garage or a basement type of environment, I would absolutely go back to a machine like this because it covers half my shop, and it's wonderful. So I just wanted to do a quick video for you before I basically sold it. I'm sad it's going. I would highly recommend it, but it's just not going to work where I'm moving. So I hope you like this. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and we'll see you in the next one.